What is up everybody, Golden Holden here, and today we are going to be unboxing the Sidekick. Alright, let's get this box open. In this box, we have our chemicals, and this Sidekick comes with ElectroClean Surface Activator, and there's two options. One of the options is a 4-ounce 24K brush gold solution, an 8-ounce 24K brush gold solution. Those are the two options. So it does come with some equipment. So it comes with some ultra fine and medium fine tips, smaller sleeves and bigger sleeves, a 1/8 stainless steel bit, and a 1/8 to 1/4 pure nickel bit. It also comes with our handles, a red, green, blue, and our black common lead, an extra beaker, the machine itself, some safety equipment, and the leads to connect it to a power source. It also comes with some information about safety data sheet and technical data sheet. Alright, this does come with the surface activator, but if you are plating onto stainless steel, you are going to need the Tri-Val or the Woods Nickel Strike. You can buy those on our website. Alright, let's get this machine all set up. So we have our red handle, and this has a pre-soaked sleeve with the gold on it. Our green handle, and a blue handle, and our common lead with an alligator clip. And then on the back here, we do not have a power supply with the machine, so these two cords just plug in, and this machine will plug into a power supply, either a separate power supply or a power supply that is connected to another machine, such as the ProLab or the Jewel Master. Alright, to plug this into a separate power supply, we have these 10 amp power supplies on our website, and these are also can be connected to the ProLab, and if you are connecting it to the ProLab, you'll just plug your leads into the power supply, and this will change the voltage. So this is important because now you have a plating kit, a brush plating kit on top of your bath plating kit, and we'll show this connected to the Jewel Master as well. Here's our Jewel Master, and we'll plug it right into this. And our Jewel Master is a bath plating kit, so now you have a brush plating kit. If you want to do fine select plating or just any type of brush plating, you can do that on top of the Jewel Master. Alright, this was an awesome kit to set up and a great kit for brush plating as an add-on kit. So if you're interested in finding this, you can go to our website, or if you need help, you can go to our website as well for support. You can go to the Contact Us and find the support team, and you can also find videos on this on the YouTube.